In this video, I'll share with you the key features of Apple Watch Ultra 2 smartwatch. So my favorite color is the orange ocean band, and it comes with a variety of colors, 17 of them, and you can check out the link in description to choose your favorite color. So this smartwatch also come in different sizes, from one size small, medium to large, and also come with a titanium case, a black one, a natural one, and rugged titanium case. Some of the key and special features of this smartwatch is the cycle tracking. If you are someone who likes cycling, then this is the favorite watch for you. It has a GPS and also a voice control and heart rate monitor. In terms of connectivity, you can connect it with Wi-Fi, and its operating system is Watch OS 10. It's so powerful. With its built-in GPS, you can always know where you are located and where you are heading to. So if you want to get this watch, you can get it on Amazon through the link in description. And for the price, it's quite expensive, but considering its features, it's worth it. It goes for around $700. And let's check out the ratings of this watch. Before you buy anything on Amazon, make sure that you check out the ratings. As you can see, it has 5-star rating, that is 87%. Always come here and read this. I like this watch band. I think it's functional and attractive, and it is very adjustable. The band can be tighter or looser when it goes through the slot of the watch. It can also be tightened or loosened when you hook it. So in terms of the comfort you get from wearing this watch, you can always tailor it to fit you, and it's amazing. So I think this is one of the best watches right now on Amazon, and if you need it, you can check out through the link in description to direct you. And make sure that you always buy from the right seller. Not all sellers will give you the best service, so I always go through many reviews and select the best seller of a product on Amazon before I post it here. So if you want this watch, you can get it for around $700, which you can also include some protective gear, because it's worth protecting this watch because it's quite expensive. So if you want some protective gear, you can add them. There is always a list here. You can add them on Amazon. So, and that is it, guys. Make sure you like, share, and get your own Apple Smartwatch Ultra 2.